To change the cabin air filter, you have to look for the glove compartment, which is of course on the passenger side. Just open it. This one is clean for the video, of course. It's never clean. Just push this inwards and the other one inwards, and if you can do both at the same time, it's better. I can't right now, but what happens is this, and you are making sure that it doesn't grip on the side. So now you bring it all the way down, and it gives you access to this. So this is a 2017 Honda Civic, and it's pretty easy to do it. As you can see, it has, look at these arrows. The airflow goes that way, downwards, and you're gonna have to pay attention to that in a second. Now here, push this in and bring it out. That's one side, and this is the other one on the other side, and this is the lead that comes out. It's so easy as that. And that's the filter. I buy carbon activated ones. So let's see, let's remove this one. Since the airflow goes, see that? Airflow. You're gonna have to match it. So you see all that dirt that comes from the outside, and it's filtered because the air at the bottom goes to your cabin, inside the cabin. So let's remove this one. And here I have a new one prepared. And it's the same size. I bought it at Amazon. I just put my car and it tells me the exact size. And I copy the airflow, just put it inside again. There you go. Yep. And now let's get the lid. And the lid also says airflow there. See that? Airflow. Yeah, perfect. So here I'm going to use one hand. Just put this side first. Let's see. Yep. On the other side. Yeah, and make sure that it latches so the air doesn't go out and it stays in that box. And once it's done, just push this upwards, and it will grip that side again, and that's it. All set. That's $10, less than $10 the air filter. I would recommend the carbon ones because they are, here it is, the other one. It looks like blackish. That's what it has, that carbon, and it filters better the air in your cabin. But now you tell me, what filters do you prefer? Like, do you have any other brand that you like? What do you use? Do you have any other tip? Please, if you like this video, share it, like it, and subscribe. Thank you for your support.